Welcome back. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can catch all our new videos. We talk about everything related to credit here, credit repair, travel credit cards, and more. Don't forget to hit the like button and the bell notification to stay updated whenever we drop new content. Today's topic, late payments. We're going to talk about everything you need to know regarding late payments and how to handle them effectively. Tip number 1, set up auto payments. If you have late payments, make sure every account that requires a payment is set to autopay, connected directly to your bank account, not a debit card. Debit cards can be compromised, leading to missed payments. Always ensure at least the minimum payment is made, which will protect you from unnecessary late payments. If you're worried about giving your bank account information to a financial institution, then maybe you shouldn't have credit cards. Financial institutions need to be trusted since you're doing business with them. Tip number 2, use technology to your advantage. Set reminders on your phone for your statement closing dates and due dates. This is crucial, especially if you have multiple credit cards. One late payment can drop your credit score by 60 to 120 points overnight. Using reminders can help you avoid this disaster. Understanding late payments. There are 4 main types of late payments: 30-day, 60-day, 90-day, and 120-day, plus the charge-off status, which is considered a derogatory mark rather than a late payment. Each type of late payment has a different impact on your credit score, and as you accumulate more late payments, their impact increases. These marks are incredibly difficult to reverse, and anyone telling you otherwise is misleading you. Late payments are legal to report, and disputing them is not a simple or guaranteed process. The reality of disputing late payments. If you have a lot of late payments, it creates a negative trend on your credit profile, making it even harder to dispute. Credit bureaus are unlikely to reverse these trends, and you have a 50-50 chance at best of getting late payments updated to on-time status. It's important to understand that there is no such thing as an easy item to delete from your credit report. If someone claims they weren't late on a payment, the burden of proof lies with them. If you have the bank statements to prove you weren't late, that's a different situation, and you might need to consult an attorney. But if it's just a matter of wanting to reverse a legitimate late payment, the chances are slim. Tip number 3, start with the credit bureaus. When disputing late payments, start by sending a dispute letter directly to the credit bureaus, not to the creditor. The dispute process involves the credit bureau communicating with the creditor or debt collector via eOscar, the system used to handle disputes. Your dispute letter should be simple and state that the late payments are reporting inaccurately and you would like them updated to positive unless the creditor can prove they are factually late. Include all your personal details and send the letter via certified mail. Tip number 4, don't repeat the same dispute. You can dispute up to 3 to 6 times, but each dispute must have different wording or it will be marked as frivolous under Regulation F, which was enacted in November 2021. Sending the same dispute repeatedly is a waste of time. The best method for reversing late payments. If disputes with credit bureaus don't work, there's another method that has a higher chance of success: sending a goodwill email to the CEO of the company. Yes, directly to the CEO. This isn't widely known, but it can be very effective. There's a website called kyomail.com, where you can find the email addresses of CEOs. Write a sincere email explaining your situation and asking for forgiveness. This method is much more effective than sending a standard goodwill letter to customer service. Remember, you only have a limited number of chances with this method. If it doesn't work after 2 or 3 attempts, you're likely out of options. The goal is to get the late payment updated to on-time status, which can have a positive impact on your credit score. Conclusion. I hope these tips help you address any late payments on your credit report. Remember, there's no easy way to remove negative items from your credit report, but with persistence and the right strategy, you can improve your chances. If you're looking to work on your credit, our full-service credit management company offers comprehensive solutions, including custom Metro 2 attack letters, pre-litigation programs, and identity theft support. If you found this information useful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your credit score. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.